Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. We have super exciting vlog episode for today. It's everyone's favorite vlog, including myself. Join me guys as we go shopping in one of my favorite luxury brands today, Prada. Hi guys, Ron Ramiro here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about fashion, shopping, luxury, brands and accessories, travel and lifestyle. I am inviting you guys to please join our growing family by subscribing to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramiro5 so you could get daily styling updates and tips coming from me. Hi guys! I'm super excited to be sharing this vlog episode to you. Prada has been one of my favorite luxury brands and hopefully you enjoy our episode for today. So before I share this shopping vlog, I hope you have also checked my previous vlog episode. I would be posting it up here, my experience at Louis Vuitton Greenbelt. That has been one of my favorite shopping vlogs. I would also be putting it in the description box. Disclaimer guys, we have filmed this episode before the lockdown here in Philippines. So to all my subscribers and friends here in the Philippines, hope everyone is staying safe and healthy inside our houses. So please enjoy our very exciting shopping vlog at Prada. For your enjoyment, like the usual thing that I would be doing is I would be including the prices so that you could, put, stuff on your checklist, and hopefully after the lockdown you could check it out at Prada Greenbelt. Enjoy guys!
Sale 73,000 from 139. From 139 to 76,450. Oh my god. 145 to 79,750. Parang hindi lang detachable yung strap niya, no?
Kunin ko na lang yung number. Pero yung number ko sa Viber.
Kasi diba, iba-ibang style siya.
Hey ma'am, ano po?
I like 53,000 from 90 plus. It's on sale. Satiano leather, camera belt, two-way, shoulder strap, and belt bag. 130, 63,000, clutch bag with shoulder strap na chino, 60,000. I love the logo, it's not there, I don't have any match. 160,000, 115.
Strap, yun ang difference.
54,500. Super cute vanity bag. Sumagot na? Ang ito, 54.
45 ma'am, 45. Nasa province sizes na po,
50%.
8 mo.
Grabe, sana kasi ito sa
Opo. 7 lang kayo ma'am.
There, how was our shopping experience at Prada? Hope you enjoyed that, guys. So, if you are going to ask me what are the Prada bags that I've included on my wish list, so I have a couple, so I'd be happy to share that with you. So the very first Prada bag that I wanted to, or that actually I am including on my wish list, is this Prada Re-Edition bag, and it's in genuine leather. So this one, so again, I'll be putting the prices here. So this one, I love it because number one, with the Re-Edition bags of Prada, to be honest guys, I am not a huge fan of the nylon Re-Edition, because for me, I would definitely prefer, you know, if the Re-Edition bag comes with comes in genuine leather. So this one, what's good about this Re-Edition bag, so number one, of course, like my wish has been granted, this comes in genuine leather, but there is another genuine leather Re-Edition bag. Unfortunately, it's not there at Prada Greenbelt. I'm going to put a photo here, but it is the Prada Re-Edition bag, and it is in Saffiano leather. I've discussed in one of my bag reviews previously, so I'm going to put it up here and put it in the description box. I've noted that one of my most favorite leather bags from Prada is if it would be made in Saffiano leather, because the Saffiano leather, it's like, you know, a very, I think I coined it like almost virtually indestructible, because that kind of leather, it's not easily scratchable compared to calf leather skin. So this Re-Edition bag that I've seen at Prada, so it's like there's a ruching detail that is also very similar to what normally Mimi is doing. The silver, or the hardware is silver. It comes in two straps, one with the black guitar strap, the thick one, and then the silver chain link strap. It also comes with the I believe that is a leather coin pouch, and also silver hardware. With this one, like what I mentioned, I love this one, would be putting it on my checklist, but it would be better if, for example, I would be getting this one in the Saffiano leather, and I would definitely much prefer if the if it would come with the gold hardware. The second bag that I'm adding to my wish list, so this is another It bag of Prada. It's the Prada Clio bag. Hopefully I am getting the name right, but if not, please forgive me. I'm just going to put it down here. So this is again another It bag of Prada. I believe the leather of this one is box calf leather, if I'm not mistaken. So it is the same leather with my Givenchy Antigona. So I so love this one. Again, unfortunately, the hardware is silver. Hopefully in the future, I would be able to see a black leather with gold hardware combo, because for me personally, I feel it's more chic, it's more luxurious looking if the combo is black and gold. But this one definitely I would love to add to my wish list. Although here I believe the Clio bag is just a shoulder bag, but since it comes with the silver buckle, you could just add any strap, like maybe a silver chain link or a thick strap, so you can style this bag up. But definitely love the Clio bag. The third bag that I've seen at the Prada store, so I'm not really sure of the price, or rather of the name of this one, but it's like the Prada flap bag, but just like the Re-Edition bag. It comes with the thick strap, it comes with the coin pouch, and I believe this one is in genuine leather. I'm not really sure if it's a piano, but again, the combination of this one is black and silver. Hopefully in the future, the next time that I would be visiting Prada, there will be black and gold combo. I love the logo at the flap. It's, you know, the logo is included Prada, and this one is very stylish because the strap is detachable. You could style it up, style it down depending on your mood. So definitely I would like to have this on my bag collection. So aside from these brand new styles of Prada, what I love about Prada, most of the time they would have a sale, and I've seen a couple of bags at Prada that are on sale, and here are my top bags that I wanted, or that I'm also adding to my wish list. The very first one, so again, I'm not really sure of the price, I'm just going to put the video here, but the first one is this red Saffiano top handle bag of Prada. So this one, I love the combination. So number one on my checklist, Saffiano leather, check. It's in gold hardware, check. This one comes with top handle, check. It comes also with fully detachable shoulder strap, check, that you could wear shoulder, crossbody. And of course, it's on sale, so I'm going to put the price here. So if I'm not mistaken, the original price is around 130 plus Philippine pesos, and then the sale price, again, I'm going to put it here, but I believe it's around 73 to 75,000 pesos. So it's within the budget that I'm willing to spend for a bag. And what I also love about this specific bag, I tried this if it would fit my huge iPhone 6s Plus. It fits. So it comes actually with 2 zip compartments. So it's actually better to put your phones at the back zip compartment, and then on front maybe your other essentials. So this one, actually when I saw this one, and you've seen the video, I got really excited. Actually, if I didn't purchase my Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat, again, I've done an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat. I'm going to link it up here, put it in the description box. So if I didn't purchase that Louis Vuitton bag, this one is this Prada bag is the one that I'll be purchasing in bringing home that day. So another sale Prada bag that I wanted to add to my wish list would be this Saffiano Prada in gray finish. This one, because with gray bags and silver, I think I only have 2. So I wanted to add that, or add more of this color, because for me personally, I love grays, I love silvers. And what I love about this bag, aside from the price, so again, this bag is on sale. This one is very modern. It's a flat bag. I believe this is more of a wallet on chain, but don't let it deceive you. Even though it's just a wallet on chain, you could put a lot. My phone fits in. I believe all my essentials would also fit in. You would notice with the Prada logo, it's in matte gray finish as well, so that is very modern. I've seen this style with other brands such as YSL, Chanel. So this one looks really nice, and it comes with the gold chain shoulder strap. So you could wear it as a shoulder bag, as a crossbody. You could detach it, wear it as a clutch, or dress it up with, you know, any strap that you have. Maybe I would be adding a super chunky chain strap with this one, so it would level, or the look would be leveled up. So this one I super love, and one also to be adding to my collection. The next bag that I wanted to add to my wish list is this red Saffiano leather flat bag from Prada. So I'm going again to put the video here and the price as well. So why I wanted to add this to my collection is, number one, of course, I believe I don't have any flat bags yet to my collection currently, so this would be a good addition to my Prada bags. I love the material, of course. It's in Saffiano leather. You would see that the strap comes in silver hardware, so you could wear it crossbody, shoulder, and you could double up the chain, just like, you know, when you're carrying a classic flat bag, Chanel flat bag rather. And I love the structure of this one. So sideways, you would see it's a little bit thicker, so you would be able to fit so much more. It looks actually a little bit the same, just like my Electra bag. I love the matte finish, the red matte finish of the Prada logo. It's making, or it's, you know, this bag actually looks really fresh and really contemporary. So definitely this one, super happy to saw this one at Prada, and hopefully be able to purchase this one soon. Right, so hopefully guys, you were able to enjoy our shopping adventure at Prada. If you have any comments and suggestion, I would love to hear your thoughts about it. If you have the bags currently, please do comment down below and let me know what you think of these beautiful Prada bags are. Alright, so before we end our vlog episode, let's do comment of the day. So I would like to say thank you to Trisha Camille. She said she commented on one of my Louis Vuitton unboxing how cute that bag is, and that I have a new subscriber, and that she is happy that she is seeing more Pinoy vloggers of luxury bags. So thank you so much, Trisha, for this super awesome comment that you provided, and I also love watching your vlog. Thank you so much. Alright, again mga kabudgetarian, I am inviting you guys to join our ever-growing family. Give me some love by subscribing to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirify so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again, super thank you guys for staying with me on this super exciting vlog episode. I'm hoping to be seeing you on our next adventure. Please do stay safe always. Bye!